it's Krista and back in the kingdom. So looks like today getting a Coronian sundial. That's from the Tangle thing. And I completed the reward streak, it looks like. So I'm getting concession of burger stand. Okay. Uh and then chess uh today I'm not gonna do that. Oh yeah, I totally forgot I was leveling up Sir Hiss. Because the Robin Hood characters will be helping with the um next storyline. So, or the next event, they're gonna be the secondary characters. So Sir Hiss is now level 5. Most becoming. And I do want to get, I guess she's doing happiness. But that works out. Now level her up. Okay. And I'll pull it back a bit on this. So, let's see, this chest, magic, time skip, and time skip, hero medal, left side. I can never remember if that's uh Ralph or Vanellope, which one is which. But anyways, common blueprint. And then, oh. Do you know? I'm quite sure. My mane is about to grow in. Most certainly, any day now. Quest complete ego trip. One can't rush these things, of course. And totally forgot I was going to start the um parade floats. So let me get that started real quick and then I'll really not sure what all is assigned for anything. I like have everything well almost like every uh oh, I don't need the Bambi. I'm not doing that one right yet. And I really want to try to get that. I'll get it. Yeah, maybe I'll just do that. Croissant stand. Yeah, I thought, yep. Elixir Ingot, Huey's Rocket, and Toy Story. Oh, and the third one's right here. Uh, Half a Cup, Match Valley Ears, and Robin Hood Relic. Okay. So, definitely a lot going on with stuff. Oh, someone just finished something. I didn't quite catch it. Just happened to see it. Oh, well, that's good. Hector, ready to level up. So, oh, I wanted to get the happiness. Um, oh, Darth Vader's also ready to be leveled up. That's nice there. First off, so I want to see on here. I know it's just like one day left on those, but I just wanted to get that going out real quick. Just check. I need a couple more to get that, but at least get it started. And we got a lot of these clouds. Oh, good. He also finished leveling up. So I was kind of looking forward to having characters finish their level up stuff, so I can maybe send some of them home. I mean, I kind of want to level up characters too, but I'll see if there's anybody I can level up that won't bring out a whole bunch of more characters for stuff. Um, yeah, let me get this real quick. So, no, I didn't want to do that. I want, well, exactly two. That's what I needed for stuff. So, do have that. And gathering spell real quick. Okay, so 55,000 is pretty good for stuff. And just trying to see. Like it. Yes, milestone 3. That's what I was looking for. See if I could get it or not. Um, and then okay, well, how many? I just need 2 more. I'll just do it. I just want to try to get as much happiness. There! See? Yay! Milestone 4. And a decoration chest, which I kind of needed a decoration chest too. So, but anyways, I'll get the rest of them. I know it's not gonna really like help with happiness stuff, but I just want to kind of finish off the ones currently in the kingdom. Where'd that cloud go? Oh, is it still hiding back there? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Last one. Okay. So, I got all 4 milestones for this one, because I just want to try to get as much happiness, and not really gonna get there with this one. I need 3 of them. So, I mean, I guess technically, if I use gems, I could get them going out for stuff. But he's definitely busy with that. I guess I'll just do it. And then I'm kind of using all my gems here. But I just want to get that last happiness for stuff. And that's kind of my stuff I want. Let me see if there's anybody I can send home. Nope, everyone's kind of working on stuff. I'm at like 100 characters in the kingdom right now. So, okay, well, I'll just get everybody going back out for stuff. So yeah, I can probably the next couple of days before the event starts, I might try to get back in here and just anybody that's not, or possibly like with the common token situation, I'll try to have just one person for stuff. So, let me just want to get everybody currently going out for stuff. because I am gonna try to get back in later and just get that last milestone, possibly. Not sure if I'll record it, but it is kind of what I'm hoping to be able to uh, get the happiness at least, even if I don't take the time to record it. So, I mean, on this one, if I can get Sully, if I can get all Sully's tokens, then he can help me with one of the token gathering stuff that I need help with, one of the newer characters. Can't remember which one exactly, but I am hoping to get a lot of this extra stuff out. So, and, yep. Oh, what's she's doing? Happiness. Okay, I'm gonna. I want to try to get her. Yeah, see, she doesn't really have other stuff, whereas Roz can work on keep or stuff. And then really any of these characters that are on one of their or level 9 or whatnot, if I can get those tokens finished, then I'll be done. I'll just need essentially magic available to get them leveled up, but other than that, it's kind of working on how many I can actually get out for token stuff. And on Joe, I'm just working on his ears hat still. So, he's got a lot of ears hats. And, oh, can I can't. But, get him at least working on the, because I need a lot of common tokens for the frozen characters. So, it is helpful with some stuff. Okay, so happiness, I got another tier, which is totally awesome magic and a resource chest. So, music, Muse's Vase, Timon Lay, Cinderella Relic, and Rare Blueprint. Okay, and then definitely get that stuff for today. Oh, and I finished the 12-hour thing, so I got another decoration chest, so that was wonderful. And it's kind of hard to do this one right now. Well, I'm kind of doing it, but not as much as I could be. And then this one as well, I'm doing it, but not as much as I could be. Because I just, Spamly isn't out right now, and Naboo's not out right now. I'm kind of working on token stuff. So, oh, sweet, I got another one. And 3 chests. So, time skip, small elixir ingot, magic elixir ingot, and magic and pumpkin token, and then a gem. Okay, that takes me to even number of gems, which is wonderful. I got all those. So I am 2 away from getting the attraction for the soul character stuff, and then I can have it in my kingdom and all that lovely stuff. And yeah, I'm just kind of, let's see, 455. This will either be 500 or 455. I don't know exactly how it goes up each thing. I haven't really been paying attention. So, but super happy. I got 2 tiers today, and I did get that um the storm clouds. I did finish those milestones out. So, super happy with all this stuff. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I'll see you next one. Bye!